Every big business starts with one idea. But what if your child's idea could become a real startup? At inKstall, we are launching the Student Entrepreneurship Program, a practical, hands-on journey for selected students who are serious about building something real. This is not a normal business course. This is not only theory. This is a real startup building experience. Students are guided step by step, from idea validation to business planning. They work on branding, identity, product development, marketing, and launch strategy. inKstall helps build the complete business foundation, including brand identity, logo, branding booklet, website, Android app, and iOS app. Students learn how to think like founders, solve real problems, understand customers, and pitch their ideas. inKstall Student Entrepreneurship Program, where students don't just learn business, they start one. Apply now for the interview round.